Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tori, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, girl, what's up? So y'all know what today is. Y'all know what this video consists of. This is a regular smuggler SHEIN haul. I know everybody shopping on SHEIN, yup. So let's not play. So the first thing that I opened up was this lip plumper. It's a lip plumper. I have already used it, and I kind of like how it works, but it doesn't give me the desired look that I'm looking for. And the next thing I'm showing you guys is this highlighter and contour pen. It's in the color chestnut. If you guys go check out my last video, I'll link it down in the link below. My everyday makeup routine is going to show you the video. You're going to see how this contour pen looks on me within the video, and as well as I am going to show you guys swatches on my hand. That's going to give you an idea of what it's going to look like on my skin. Mind you, to never choose makeup once you put it on your hand. Mind you, your arms and your hands are a different shade than your face. So as you can see the contour show up on here on my hand, but go watch how it shows up on my face. Yeah, go click on that video. The next thing I got was like 2 packs of eyelash clusters. I got 2 different styles of eyelash clusters. So I'm just showing you how those look, and y'all will be seeing them shortly because I am going to be doing a get ready with me using these eyelash clusters. I also got a 3-in-1 blush, and it is also a lip balm as well. It's 3 different shades for blush and lip balm, which I love so much. Y'all could go check out my last video. Click the link in the description box so y'all could see how that blush looks on my face, because yes, I did use it for my everyday makeup routine. And y'all, so this is the first color. It's like a peachy nude color, like a peachy color. And then we have this like blush, peachy blush color, which is so pretty on my skin tone. I love it. And then the last but very not least color we have is like a ruby red, like an extra red blush, which I love because it gives me that blush look. The next thing I have is a mascara, because I needed a mascara. I don't have a mascara. I stopped using mascara for like 5 years. I have never used mascara in 5 years. So I finally got me a mascara. It comes with a top lash brush as well as a bottom lash brush. So when applying it, it's easy, like easy. And I really like it, and it gives me the desired look I want. Y'all could check out the last video for that. I also got me some beauty blenders, as you should say, for like your setting powder. And this is the holy grail right here. This is what I've been waiting for. This is the Ricky Morty Pickle Rick setting spray. And y'all, it tastes, look at me. It smells like a cucumber. It smells like cucumber water. And it really sets the face, like for real. So that's what I really like about it. And when you like shake it up, it makes this kind of noise. Can y'all hear that? Yeah, I know y'all heard that. I don't know what's inside of it, but it's not the eyeballs neither. The eyeballs doesn't move, but I really love the packaging, and I wanted something different within my makeup. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this. Let me get this. And I love how the setting spray works. I love how the Pickle Rick setting spray works. The next thing I got was my baby some shoes, some little cute white sandals that's going to go with this little outfit with all her outfits. Yeah, I like them. As y'all can see, they're really pretty. They're going to be easy to put on, easy to take off, which I love. She can run around in them and everything. And I also got some different shades of eyeliner pencils with liquid eyeliner, y'all, because I'm about to give y'all the looks. I'm about to give y'all the looks that y'all gonna love. So if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all need to go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm just doing a couple of swatches. Y'all gonna see white, red, black, and yellow. I only did those 3 colors. So nothing major, but so far all the colors came out beautifully. As y'all see how their white and their red is just so potent. Look at that black, like lovely. Look at those swatches, to die for. So beautiful. They came out really good. The only one I had an issue with was the orange, because it ain't orange. And right here are some under eye gold moisturizing mask to go under the eyes. So I just got that. Got some of those. See how it would work. Nothing major. Nothing major for my slight makeup routine. Nothing major. So yeah, these are just the gold eye. What do you, under the eyelid strips? I don't know what you should call them. And I'm just showing y'all how they look. They are really thin. Really thin. I didn't know they was this thin. I thought they was going to be kind of like a little bit thicker, but they're really thin. But all in all, I use them. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. The next thing is eyelashes. I didn't open these because they're just regular eyelashes for when I do my makeup videos. And now I'm showing y'all my Insta Fill-In eyebrow pencil. I got this in the color dark brown. It comes with an eyebrow brush, as y'all can see, a spoolie, as you should say, and a fine tip eyeliner pencil. And I really love this. Check out my video, my last video. Eyebrows look like hairs. It looked like hair. And I also got this Willy Wonka bar makeup bag because I needed a little to-go makeup bag since I be going places and be forgetting my makeup. I was like, I need a makeup bag so I could have all of this in one spot. So this is the makeup bag I got. It's really roomy. I thought it was gonna come smaller than this, but it's actually pretty big. It's actually pretty big, and it has a lot of room for you to store stuff. As y'all could see, I'm putting everything I got from SHEIN as far as my makeup into this bag. Boo, 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 yay. And now on to some little clothes items I have. I got my baby girl another swimsuit because she needed some more swimsuits. I don't know why. I just feel like one swimsuit is just not enough. So I got that. And I also just got a shirt. I thought I would actually like this shirt, but the material of this shirt sucks. It really sucks. So I don't really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was all the items I purchased from SHEIN. I want to thank you guys so much for your continuous support, and I hope you can continue to support me and my journey. Keep continuing to like and comment, y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.